I've just finished building a desk clock inspired by a sci-fi space fighter. It shows the exact time and also monitors temperature and humidity in real time. Let's get started and build it together. You can measure the components and create a bending template to form and solder the wireframe. Or you can simply print the template I prepared on an A4 sheet. First, I need 1mm copper or brass wire. Bend the wire following the template. Then solder everything together. Next, I added and soldered some decorative details to the wings. After that, prepare 8 pieces of brass wire, each 1.8 centimeters long, then solder it to the frame. Next, I need 0.96-inch OLED display. Carefully separate the display from the circuit board. Then glue it onto the frame you just soldered. Next, I need an ESP32 C3 module for control and wireless communication. You can find the connection diagram in the video description. You also need a temperature and humidity sensor. Don't forget to check the description for the connection diagram. Solder the assembled frame onto the main structure to complete the spaceship model. And this is what the finished model looks like. Next, prepare 3mm diameter copper tube. I'm using a round wooden base as the display stand. Drill a hole in the center so the spaceship can be mounted, and secure it with glue. Connect it to the computer and upload the code. I'll also include the code in the video description. Set your Wi-Fi here so the device can get the correct time online. And we're done. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.